Hey guys, this is Sidra. Welcome to my YouTube channel Educate with Sidra. In this video, we are doing the chapter number 8 of O levels chemistry, that is the mole. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's start the video. Now we are doing the percentage mass of an element in a compound. The percentage by mass of an element in a compound is equal to the relative atomic mass of an element multiplied by the number of atoms in formula whole divided by the relative molecular mass of that compound multiplied by 100. This is the formula. You have to memorize this thing, right? Doing the example, percentage composition of hydrogen peroxide, right? So this is the formula. What we need is atomic weight of hydrogen. We know the atomic weight of hydrogen, that is 1. Okay, and as we are doing calculating the percentage of hydrogen here, this is the element, right? So the AR of the element, that is hydrogen, plus number of atom of that element, that is the hydrogen atom. How many hydrogen atom present in the H2O2, that is 2. So writing 2 over here, and the relative molecular mass of H2O2. So we have already calculated here, that is a 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 16 is equal to 34. So writing 34 over here. This is the 5.9% of hydrogen in H2O2. And if you want to calculate the percentage of oxygen, so just write here the atomic weight of oxygen here and the number of oxygen atom here, the whole divided by the relative molecular mass. So the relative atomic weight is 16 and the number of oxygen atom present in H2O2 is 2. If we are doing the water, that is H2O, the number of oxygen atom will be 1. Okay, but this is hydrogen peroxide, so there are 2 atoms of oxygen atom, and the relative molecular mass is 34. The answer is 94.1% of oxygen in H2O2. This is all about the percentage composition of hydrogen peroxide. Percentage mass of an element in a compound. Calculate the percentage of water in copper sulfate crystals, that is CuSO4 plus 5H2O, right? How will you do that? Percentage of water, okay? So we know the formula. Percentage of water is equal to the MR of water plus multiply by number of water molecules, the whole divided by the MR of copper sulfate multiply by 100%. Okay, so what is the MR of water? That is 18. Okay, that is 2 plus 1 and 16 plus 1 is equal to the 18, and multiply by the number of hydrogen water molecules. You know this thing, this is 5, that is given in the formula. The whole divided by MR. The MR of the formula you have to calculate on the site. MR of the formula is for copper, the atomic weight is 64. For sulfur, atomic weight is 32. Number of atom 1. For hydrogen, there are the 5 to the 10 atom of hydrogen, and atomic weight is 1. So the 10 multiplied by 1 will be 10. And how many atoms of oxygen? 4 plus 5, that is 9 atoms of oxygen. So 16 multiplied by 9, 144. So I'm writing here 4 plus 2, 8, 9, 10, 15, and this is 2. Okay, so this will be the 250. Okay, multiply by 100%. So what will be the answer? That will be the 36% of water molecule. Okay, this thing, 36% of water molecule are present in the copper sulfate crystals. I hope you understand this numerical. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like the video and comment.